One of the people who don't care less about any of those health problems is the new breed of computer gangster. Computer crime is fooling the computer into thinking you're someone else so that you can get hold of their money. I expect many of your parents have got one of these, a bank cash point card. It enables you to get your money out of the bank even when it's closed. This machine is connected to the bank's computer, and the first thing it has to do is to make sure I really am who I say I am. To do so, on the back of the card, hidden in this invisible magnetic stripe here, is a secret number. We put the card in the computer, and the computer reads the number on the card, and then I have to type it in. Now, no peeking. Well, I've convinced the computer I'm the real owner of the card, so now I can get some money. I think £10 will do it. If a crook gets hold of your card and your secret number, he's as good as got your cash. And that's why most parents won't even tell you what their secret number is. One foreign bank, I'd rather not tell you which one, has started looking for other ways of checking that the person with the card is the real owner. We made versions of their machines here in the studio, and because I'm not sure that they work quite right yet, I've asked Sian here to try them out for us. The first machine was going to check the fingerprint on your index finger. If that agreed with the one coded on your card, then you'd get your money. But just one fingerprint is not enough. So here is machine 1, version 2. It checks all of Sian's fingerprints. But the trouble will be, what happens if the fingerprints don't match those on the card? Well, off you go then, Sian. Put the card in, type in the amount of money you want, and now put your fingers in the holes ready to be checked. And let's hope everything matches up. Oh no, it says you're locked in. Are you really? Just try. Ah, too bad. Now, supposing that you've tried to take out too much money, what happens then? Well, you've typed in an amount of money. Let's see what it does to you about that. Too much money? No. Oh, well, you've had your nasty shot. Did it really hurt? But has it released you now? I think it has. Let's just see. Oh, that's a good job, because now we can try the other machine. Having given up that idea because the customers wouldn't like it, another idea just had to be popular with all customers. Lip prints. Well, over we go. First, we insert our card. Slide it in through the hole.
To make sure you are the real owner of this card, please leave a firm imprint of your lips on the cashier of your choice. Begin after the pips have finished. Pip, 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 pip.
Do you think the idea is going to catch on?
No.
No. Oh well. As we find out the dangers of computing, be it computer crime or a real danger to health, it's up to the government to make laws to protect us. Just as the laws for good behaviour on the road had to be changed when the motor car replaced horse-drawn vehicles. But when computers can make such a difference to the lives of the children we saw at the beginning of the programme, it would be foolish if a few problems stopped us from using computers in the best possible ways we can dream up. Goodbye.